Today we are going to learn about Google Forms, how to add drop-down list instead of multiple choices. Okay, shall we go? Okay, right. We'll go from the basic step. Just go to Google Drive, click on New, and click on More. Okay, friends, click on New and go to Google Forms. Go to Google Forms, blank page. Let us give the name to untitled form. For example, student profile. For your, for example, become. Okay. Let us go to option 1. Title, question title is select. Sorry, if you tell select, automatically it will change to multiple choice. Your country. See, automatically it will change. It will not, if it doesn't change, we can go to multiple choice. We select drop down. Okay, option 1. India. Foreign. Okay, now what we have to do is we have 2 options. See here, there is last button, add section. Click on section, it will show untitled section. You can give the section name here. If India, choose or select your state. Okay, for Indians. Okay, what do you want to add here? Multiple choice or drop down? Okay, drop down. If you automatically select, type select your state, automatically will come. So you can mention many things, many options. A country, B country, C country, B country, E country, here. Okay, right. And one more, make a section. If other country, select your country. For now, forms. Okay, right. Now we add here add here multiple choice or question. Okay. Here select your country. So here one country, country, 3 country, 4 country, 5 country, 6 country, 7 country, something. Okay, like this you can make. Now we will see how it is happening now. Okay, there is a view option here. See, select your country, India. So next. So nothing is there because for Indians choose ABC. Okay, click next for foreigners, it will come. Okay, for example, I would like to make something here. Just see here. Okay, here I clicked. Go to options. Go to section based answer. Section based answer is there, no? So you click here. Section 2, if India, you select here, and if other country, select here. Okay, this one. Okay, right, done. Next question. Your name, first name, short answer. Okay, automatically it will select. Next, your last name. Okay, short answer. Next, your mobile number, short answer. Okay, right. You can even also add images if you want to make it very attractive. No problem. Number, number. It is a number. Yes, it is number. Right. It is number. Okay, done. Now what you can do? You can after it is finishing. Okay, you can take the responses also. Okay, right. Now how it will see? We'll see. If you want to select anything required, something, you can make the requirement. Okay, right. If you want the responses, okay, responses, accept responses here, download responses in any format, select response destination, get email notification for new responses. Okay, get email notifications for new responses, select response destination. You can change this one. Go to question again and select settings, collect email addresses. Better you collect email addresses and response receipts. If you need, you can response receipts. You can limit to 1 response. Require sign in, limit to 1 response. Okay, right, no problem. Edit after submit. You can even they can edit after submission also. Say summary charts and text responses. Okay, right. They will also see. Show progress bar, shuffle question order. Question they can shuffle one and top and corner. Okay, if it is quiz type, make this as quiz. You can also make this as quiz. Quiz type, assign point values to question and point level grading will come like this. Okay, right. Save it. Now we will send it. We will send it. Okay, you can send to email. You can send to this one. Copy it. Copy the link and you can forward to Facebook or Twitter. Okay, shorten the URL. We'll shorten the URL and we'll copy it. Okay, right. You can save anywhere we want it. Right. Thank you, friends. Thank you very much. If you want to do it yourself, you can do it. I encourage you to do it. If you like it, share it, subscribe it, like it. Thank you.